Hey guys, so it's the ambitious peasant here, and you know what it means. I'm doing another crappy video. So during this work from home lockdown situation, I've been feeling a little down. It takes a little toll on my on somebody's mental health. You're working from home, so on a regular or with the old normal situation, because we are now in a new normal. So in the old normal situation, the home is where you escape, all of your work troubles, etc. But now there's a very, very, very thin line between work and personal life. So, and you don't even get to have quote unquote a personal life because you can't go out. You have to stay home to stay safe and do your part. But to make yourself happy, you can always make yourself happy by treating yourself. So what I did is I ordered this well, you can already see it. It's a Charriol Genève accessory. So that is the reason why I am wearing my Charriol bangle, the very first one that I got when I was just starting out working with my professional life. And I know that I've been into watches, automatic, self-winding, manual wind, but this one is just for fun, and that's what I put on my post. So this is just for fun. Yeah, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So as you can guess, it is a watch. Let's move it forward. There you go. Okay, so it comes with this manual and international guarantee. You have here some instructions, care instructions. I'm sorry. You have here a product advice, and all those shenanigans. So there you go. And going ahead, let's take a look at the watch. You gotta admit, it is a very cool and cute watch. So I already took out the sticker. This one, I think it's because it's been in the stock room for a while now because nobody was delivering. So I think the sticker here just got stuck on that. So I'm gonna figure out a way how to remove that. So to take it off, you just push on these release tabs, and let's put this away. So we have stickers here. There you go. Let's put this away for now. So let's take a look at the watch. Oh, it's upside down. So this is what we call a Charriol. It's for women's AEL mother of pearl diamond dial white ceramic watch. So let's go on and discuss the basics, the specs. So the case is a polished white ceramic material with a steel chevron cable accents. So this is the chevron accent, I'm guessing. Of course, the case back is stainless steel. There you go. It has the sticker still. I'm not removing that. The bezel, of course, is a polished white ceramic. The dial is a white mother of pearl. Hands are silver tone luminescent. Markers 12 diamond hour markers. I'm not sure if it's real diamonds though. I have to do a little more research. Yeah, I didn't do my research when I bought that, but I asked and I inquired. They told me that it's real diamonds, but I think it's a cubic zirconia or zirconium, whatever. Doesn't matter. It's just for fun, like what I said. Of course, it has the only complication it has is it has a date display window between the 4 and the 5 o'clock position. The bracelet is made of stainless steel chevron cable. The clasp, of course, is a push button clasp. There you go. And the way you do it is, you know, it has a little hole there. And I don't know how you can adjust this, but it has micro adjustments here. So you just click that together, and then to release, just push that. Okay, and of course the crystal is made of sapphire, which is very, very cool. The crown is a simple push-pull crown. It's not a screw-down crown, so you have to be careful. Don't go swimming in it. The movement is a Swiss quartz movement, so at least it's a Swiss movement, so that's a consolation for me. Water resistance is 380 m or 30 meters or 99 feet. The case measurement is 33 millimeters in diameter times 8 by 5 millimeters thick. So there you go. That's the thickness. The bracelet measurements is 15 millimeters wide. So this is 15 millimeters wide. And it's 7 inches long. And the box, oh, I'm not gonna read on the box measurements. Yeah, the model is called AE33CW.561.003. So enough about the specs of the watch. Let's just go ahead and put it on. And there you go. So yeah, I put this upside down, or maybe I don't know if it complements if it's like that. So maybe it looks better and simpler if it's like this. And of course, you know, I have very ugly hands. I have my Hermes click-clack here, other accessories there. Perhaps I can, you know, get this keeping in tone of the stainless steel or white gold. Let's see how they stack together. See? It's so cool. So yeah, that's my latest stupid purchase. Haha. Yeah, that's it. I mean, it's for fun. It's really nice. Thank you for watching.